Hey guys, it's your girl Nursenikkip here. I'm back with another one. If you have not subscribed to your girl's channel, please do so now. Let me sit down for y'all so y'all can see me. Okay, it's your girl here. So like I was saying, if you have not subscribed to your girl's channel, please do so now. Hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button so it'll help with the YouTube algorithm. So we'll get things moving. It helps with YouTube and it also helps for me and my views. So if you have not seen already, obviously it's pretty evident that your girl has cut her hair, okay? Let me know if you guys like it. If you don't, it's fine. But I just made the ultimate decision to just go ahead and do, I won't even call it the big chop because I ain't have no hair to begin with anyways. I've been rocking like a shortcut for about, how long has it been? Since 2018. It seems like it's been longer, but it hasn't. I first cut my hair in 2018. I was 100% natural. And so that was when I first did my first travel assignment in Virginia. But anyways, besides all of that, I am here to introduce to y'all Mr. and Mrs. Crab, okay? I mean, Juicy Crab and Jax is good, but when I tell y'all this ish right here is so freaking bomb, like y'all gonna see how it is, okay? Just give me 1 minute. You guys, look at this. Ooh, your girl's about to bust it down. I'm just letting y'all know. Look at this. So I got lobster, crab, corn, shrimp, and potatoes. So it's about to go down, okay? Like really, really, really go down. But I want to talk about something very important, okay? Obviously, this is a travel nursing vlog, and I like to show y'all my lifestyle and stuff, but you know, I also like to, excuse the loud noise, give me 1 second. I also like to talk about, y'all, this ain't gonna work. Hold on. Hell no. My bad. So I want to talk about travel nursing and how important it is to always have a plan B. What I mean by that is when you are working in a travel nursing or just the travel nursing field, should I say, it's always best to have a plan B. Listen to me very carefully. Plan B. Sometimes even a plan C. So, of course, you guys all know that we're in a pandemic, right? However, let me just try this shrimp one time. Hold on, y'all. I am a Florida girl at heart, so I'm sorry. It's so hot, so good. But back to my point. Do you have a savings account? Because if you do not, I suggest you start with one. I hope and pray that people have not blew through their money. The reason why I'm stressing this is not because I feel like I'm better than anybody else, but I've been there and I've done that. I came back from the West Coast to the East Coast pretty much with nothing because I didn't know how to manage my money. I didn't know certain things can change within a blink of an eye. One of my major tips that I like to give people is never sign up for one agency. Never sign up for one travel agency. Always have multiple agencies in your back pocket. And also, while you are on contract, consistently look for contracts during your contract. Does that make sense? While you are on a contract, consistently look for other contracts. Yeah, I know it sounds weird and crazy, but if not, because you need to see what's like popping and going on during that time when you're in your contract. That's a major key, major tip. Again, I'm going to also go back to having agencies at your discretion in your back pocket. Always have more than one agency you are consistently speaking with or just in contact with or signed up with. People ask me all the time, what agencies am I signed up with? If I told you how many, I would probably lose count. However, those agencies that I'm with, I've most likely worked for, or I know that they're good agencies. I'm signed up with so many. And another tip that I'm going to give you guys is, I don't like agencies, and this is no knock to some people because I feel like everybody has to experience it from your own, but how you can make the most money is working strike assignments, of course, and you know, people have their own opinions. I'm sorry, you guys. I know this is kind of disgusting, but it's so good. But anyways, people have their opinions about strike nursing. But I've been able to attain a very great lifestyle and large savings due to working strike nursing. Next thing that I like to do, I love to work crisis assignments. The reason why I love it so much is that when you work in a crisis or strike nursing, or just really mainly those two, you don't have to worry about housing. Housing is provided by the agency. I don't take really contracts unless the housing is provided. I've gotten spoiled. Well, and again, mainly that's because I get to keep money and it stays in my pocket. So highly recommend, highly recommend. I'll also give you guys a lot of key pointers in agencies that I work for, and even if I have not worked for them, what are some good ones that provide strike nursing, crisis assignments, etc., etc. So look for that, because I'll definitely be kind of giving you guys some insight. I get a lot of questions all the time about what agencies to go through, and I'm telling you, I've worked for some really amazing agencies, and they're taking care of everything for me. Housing, and not just, when I say not just any housing, like you're gonna have a really, really nice hotel that has like a stovetop. You may not have a stove, but stovetop, very nice view. Sometimes you get, I did a contract with an agency before. I had, what is it called? Oh, Jesus, I'm sorry. The food is so good, you guys. I'm so sorry. But I had a rental stipend, car rental stipend, y'all. So I was able to rent a car for the remainder. But when I did have this, I'm not gonna lie, my rental car got stolen. Boy, if you don't get... That's a whole nother story for a whole nother vlog I'm gonna tell y'all about, but that was not fun. So, you guys, I have to come back when I'm like, can really think about some things, but these are questions that I get all the time. But again, I'm not knocking anybody who wants to go out and travel and pay for their own stipend. I mean, do so. I did it the first time. I gained a lot of knowledge. But what I don't recommend is anytime you have a, let's say, let me give you guys an example. Let's say you make $1,800 a week, which is unheard of right now, and your rent is $2,000. Doesn't make sense. $2,000 a month doesn't make sense. I recommend that anytime you have a contract, your rent should be lower than how much you make weekly. That's just my personal opinion. And you know, there's gonna be people that give their own opinions of it. They may agree, they may disagree, but again, this is just my personal opinion, my personal journey, my personal experience, and this is just my suggestion to anybody out there who would like to gain some knowledge. So yeah, I mean, if you want to do it, there's still ways to where you can save money with having a stipend, and they provide a weekly net amount for you. And you can, you know, like I said, you can make a lot of money, but personally, it's not for me. But again, those jobs that provide everything for you, they're off the feet running. So you do not have the experience as a nurse. And I'm just, you know, I'm just going to reiterate that as a travel nurse, not even as a nurse. It's two different worlds, man. Two different worlds. I wouldn't recommend it. Especially if you work in critical areas, specialty areas, PACU, ICU, labor and delivery, emergency room. Hey. A lot of those, cath lab, a lot of those areas, you know, you really need to be knowing what you're doing. So those are my little quick key facts that I can give you guys about travel nursing, the do's and the don'ts, and just some key, oh my God, I'm sorry guys, just some key information to get you guys started. So again, subscribe to your girl's channel, comment and like, and give me your feedback on what you guys think. What would you like to hear more about? And hopefully that answered just a little bit of you guys' questions. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this. And I feel like I'm being rude, but it's so good. So I speak to you guys later. Peace.